Okay, I know I look pretty silly right now, but I'm trying out the sock curls and I'm curious to see how my hair turns out with it. So yeah, this is the night before and I'll show you guys in the morning how curly my hair gets. Okay, so it's the next morning. I already did my makeup. Let's see how these turned out. This one off. Let me get my elastic off. My hair's a little bit damp still. Oh wow. Super curly. Wow, that is super curly. I have to run my fingers through this. Okay. Flip it. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna play with this. Bam. What do you guys think? I added some of the Bio Silk, just a little bit on the ends, and then I sprayed a little bit of this Argan Magic, and I flipped it, scrunched it a little bit, and this is, I'm impressed. I really love this. I think it's really cute. Just put these pigtails. There's like a lot of volume. I'm definitely gonna be doing this a lot more. Wow, that's awesome. And I just did it with a sock.